This 5-minute solution will show you how to link EA account to Steam. It's very easy process to link your EA account with your Steam. Just follow me to do it. Open your browser and open ea.com. And here, make sure to sign into your EA account. Now, click on your profile and click on account settings. And here, scroll down and click on connections. And here you will get Steam. Click on link. And now you have to verify your EA account email address. So click on send code and enter here the verification code. Then click on sign in. And now you have to verify your Steam account. So enter here your Steam account username and password and click on sign in. And here you will get your Steam account. Click on sign in. Click on allow. Click on link accounts. And that's it. This is how we can link EA account with Steam. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.